These ladies are called Camponotus floridanus, and besides being pretty, they can be a little bit sassy. They have a beautiful color, gorgeous majors, and they have some really cool behavior. Listen closely. I always called this phenomenon gaster tapping, because I was being told that the ants tap their gaster when there's danger. But in a discussion I also heard that the ants click their mandibles. So my question to you is, what do you think this sound is? Are they tapping their gaster, clicking their mandibles, or do you think or know it's something else? Please let me know in the comments down below.